Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wanda and today I have an eyebrow tutorial for you all. If you follow me on my Instagram at @TheWandaPerez, you'll know that I have one up, but I figured I'd do a more in detail one here for YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoy. There's no outro, but don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you know every time I upload. So first we're going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Chocolate, and all I'm going to do is outline my eyebrow. So as you can see, I start off with the bottom of my eyebrow and I just take my time. I try to follow the natural shape of it, but my eyebrows are a little short and sparse towards the front. So as you can see here, I'm just faking a front. I like a square shape at the front and I do like a fade, so I just use whatever the remaining product is on there. And after I do that, I go in and outline the top. After that, I'm just going to use my spoolie and make sure everything is a little more seamless. On the other eyebrow, as you can see, I'm just following the same steps. This color isn't really for me, but it's what I had, so I'm just outlining with this product. Again, as you can see, I don't have much of a front eyebrow, I guess you can say, so I'm just faking it. And I just make sure to get the faded look, I just use the spoolie and fade it in, basically, or spool it out until it's faded. Next, I'm going to use Smoked from, I forgot the palette name, so I'll leave it below. But I'm going to use, I know the eyeshadow name is Smoked. I'm going to use this to darken up my brows because, again, this dip brow is not the color for me. So I am mainly focusing it on the kind of like half, the later half of my eyebrow, towards the end. So that way, again, I can get a faded look and, you know, they look poppin'. And as always, I am just spooling it out. Spoolies are my favorite because they just make sure that everything isn't super duper harsh. Next, I am going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC42 and I am going to outline my brows. So basically what I do is I outline it and then I pull the product down for the bottom. For the top, as you can see, I try to do like one clean line. I feel like it gives me the sharpest brow that way, but to each their own. That's just what I like to do, and plus it helps me get a really sharp kind of tail to my brow. Then I'm just going to blend that concealer out with a flat concealer brush. I think this one is from BH Cosmetics. Look at the end of that brow though. Sharp. Hella sharp. I love it. And this concealer is a little lighter, as you can see, than my skin tone. I prefer it that way. You don't have to use concealer that's lighter than your skin. There's no need. You can use foundation or the foundation that you use, whatever you prefer. And last but not least is my clear brow gel. And I just run that through my eyebrows and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.